Yeah.
Yeah, I thought it'd be blown up too. All right, so now we got a little flame, and I'm going to put the pot over it. I have to leave enough room for there to be air. And start timing. Somebody who has a timer. Did it just go out? How? Okay. I think it went out because there's not enough air getting to it.
Okay.
Your timing?
Start now?
Start now. It's a really awkward stove, obviously. But it is hot. It's heat. My hand is going to get really tired.
So, can you like if you wanted to eat beans, can you put it in there too?
Yeah,
I'm not even trying to be funny. I'm being so serious.
You can cook.
You can cook food in there too, right?
Also,
not only like
also
power
produce
up with water.
electricity.
Yeah. Again.
I was being really serious.
It's a nice idea though.
I know.
That's so funny. Yeah.
So you're getting both. You have to make this as big. When you make it big, then this is small. Like.
Anything happening up there?
It's supposed to be lighting off.
Is there a green light on here? Not yet, huh? This is a really bad stove. What would help is if we could punch a hole in the can to get more air in. But it is heating.
I think it's out.
Turned off.
Video games are so much easier. Everything works. In science, why isn't this not working?
Try tilting it the opposite way. There.
That's working a little better, right? You can come in close. Now are we getting anything? Nothing? Come on, power pot. It smells. Come on, power pot. No.
Watch your hand.
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we put too much water in. Come on, power pot. You can do it. You can do it, power pot.
Before you burn someone's hands off.
Yeah, exactly. Come on, power pot. I'm counting on you. Don't let me down.
You should have extra water.
It's on.
What? The light is on?
Yeah,
It's on.
It is?
That is on.
Ha-ha! Ha-ha! Electricity from heat. Every time you cook, if you go camping or if you're in an emergency and you need to charge your cell phone, because everybody does when the apocalypse comes, because you got to say the zombies are attacking your neighborhood now, from our house, you can cook on the plastic oil or on biogas or whatever we produce, and then generate electricity through a device known as a Peltier Seebeck device. You probably know these. Peltier generates electricity from heat and cold. Seebeck makes heat and cold using electricity. You can go get camping refrigerators.
Is it DC converter or AC?
DC.
It's a direct.
It's direct current.
Okay.
Good question.
All right.
What made you wonder that?
Huh?
What made you think of that?
Because you taking straight from the source. And
Yeah. So it has to be DC because there's no alternation.
There's no alternative. Like it's not like a car.
Correct.
Yeah.
Is it still on?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. It took 3 minutes.
But can it?
Took
Can
3
it?
minutes.
Yeah.
Is it really on?
Can we store that electricity or?
Yeah, I charge my cell phone
Every time?
whenever I'm cooking.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
that's
so
right.
I can just, I'm cooking, I'm making tea, for example. I put this on the stove. You're going to use the energy anyway to make tea. I like plug my cell phone into here, and then I'm ready. I mean, it comes when you get it.
How much does it cost?
It's really expensive. It's $140.
So
So
where do you can buy them from Amazon?
yeah, but what is the price of security in an earthquake or in a hurricane?
That's true.
That's where I'm coming at this from. And let me just come on. Yeah, it comes with this, and then you take this out, like that, and then you plug. It's a USB charger, and then this goes right into here. So it has many different adapters depending on which type of cell phone you have. So I have a mini USB, and I plug it into here, and I put it over here. And then I think I'm going to need to pour. This is going to be awkward. Whoa. Okay. Okay, whoa, look at that.
Oh,
It's a good thing this is metal. Let's use that heat while we got it. Close that up. Hold this. And let's see what, ouch.
Oh my god.
That's fire. Fascinating stuff.
We're making electricity.
From the heat.
With
Making light.
We're making.
Electricity.
We're
from
charging a cell phone using a Peltier device that is using...
You're burning the cell phone, you mean?
No, the oil that we're burning was plastic bags that we converted with a $13,000 piece of labware that the Japanese government and U.S. government is loaning Mercy College. The device is called a power pot that is a Peltier device that turns heat into electricity. So when you're cooking tea or you're camping, you get that, and then I'm charging the cell phone.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a small.
It does.
I feel like we're like
Wow.
You could turn it to a light. You could do something else.
So if you go camping, you'd always have a light.
Yeah. I think this is about to start charging.
Cool. Okay, have fun. See you
Yeah,
guys.
thanks. What do you
Thank
teach
you.
here?
Yeah, thank you. What?
Are you a teacher here?
I teach there.
Oh, yeah, me too. I'm Dr. Culhane. What's your name?
Patrick McCabe.
Nice to meet you. What's your...
Education school. of
Education school.
Yeah.
We were just meeting with Bernadette and with Saul Fisher and with Bill Sussman about how we're going to do this, because Conchetta said we're going to do a cross-curricular thematic thing on sustainability within all different curricular areas. So
Right.
it might be interesting to...
Yeah, maybe we'll meet.
Yeah.
Great. Okay, we can work something out.
Great fun.
Bring your
Excellent.
students so long. Man.
Will do. Would somebody hold this for me?
Party.
bye.
No, not that, but this, the power pot.
Oh, the power pot. Okay.
Yeah. Oops.
Oh, it's already.
Oh, it just went out? All right. There we go. So be very careful as you hold it over that raging flame. And I think what I have to do is I have to turn this camera off and then on again. Yeah. Make sure that you don't hurt yourself.
Right? It's hot too in the sun. Watch your sleep.
Mm-hmm.
It's too much fire.
Watch when the wind blows it.
Yeah, right. These are just like.
So what did you say? It took 3 minutes last time?
I'd be so mad. I'd be so mad.
Light is not yet on. Still not on. Still not on. Is your hand getting tired? It's good.
What are they doing over there? Smoking?
Yeah, right.
Trying to light it up over there.
Where's the light? Let's just test this with the light for a second. It's really strange that it's not.
In a way, it does smell like that.
I'm beginning to think that there might be. Should be pretty hot. You saw this light go on?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Die. So bad. Like, sit back. Oh my god.
It's just not. It's not boiling yet.
It's not boiling yet.
You know what's really weird is we did this last year with biogas, and it took between 40 and 60 seconds.
Biogas.
Really?
Biogas flame is a blue flame, very hot
Yeah.
flame.
Yeah.
This flame, while it looks scary, isn't hot at all.
Mm-mm.
And that's probably why it's taking so long to get
Biogas,
this.
you can get it from the
Cow
horse-
manure?
Cow manure, yeah.
Yeah, that's what we're going to start ours on. Is going to be horse manure, and then we'll start adding cafeteria waste because cafeteria waste has more. Is it?
I thought so. No.
No, it'll be pretty bright when
No,
it comes on.
It's black and like.
It is clear. Well, this is fascinating in itself, just to see that.
I think it went out.
Maybe we sort of.
Fascinating to see that the flame temperature is not so hot with this, but hot enough to burn you. So do be careful. But we did see the light go on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is it on?
No, not yet.
I see the light.
Be careful.
No, I found that hot.
Oh my god! It like got near his hair.
Found that hot.
It's not that hot.
I
Again.
cannot.
Just wanted to light. Okay, now this green light is on. You can see that, and the light is on here, right?
Yeah.
So now, theoretically, keep it hot. Keep it hot. Don't take it off. Now, I mean, don't burn yourself, but now when I put this in, we should have this thing starting to say that it's charging. Unless my phone is messed up. There it is. Power morning saving status. Yeah, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are now charging our cell phone.
Wait, start again. So, ladies and gentlemen.
So, ladies and gentlemen, we are now successfully charging our cell phone off of the power pot. It says power saving mode suspended, right? Right there. And it's charging off of petroleum that we made from plastic bags and from styrofoam cups, which is pretty cool in its cool way.
In its cool way.
And obviously it's got to stay warm to keep the charging, but while you're cooking and making tea, you can always be generating electricity. And there's the light to show you. Ta-da! Ta-da, ta-da. Okay.
Okay.
Pretty neat, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we can abandon that. And it does stay on for a little while. Like, notice he's taken it off, but the light's still on. And that's because as long as it's hot, it will generate electricity. Now it fades out.
Oh, that's so cool.
Just put it back again.
And you put it back again, and it'll start again in a few seconds once it gets back up. There it goes, and it's glowing. And remove it, and wait 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000. It goes in 6 seconds, put it back on. And it is 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000. 6 seconds it goes on. Take it off. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3. That time it went off in 3. Put it back on. This is science. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000. Wow, it's taking a while to heat up. Things cool off sometimes faster than they heat up. It's on now, okay. And it'll get brighter the longer it's on and the hotter it gets. See how much brighter it's getting there? But the nice idea that if you're in a kitchen in, let's say you're in Nepal, or you're in Kenya, or you're in Costa Rica, or wherever you are in the world where there's infrastructure problems and people don't have power, the fact that a woman can safely light her kitchen while she's cooking, and then kids can study, that can change lives. Every time you cook, you could be generating enough electricity and charging batteries so you can use the lights all night long when you stop cooking. So it says you cook for a half an hour, and you're able to store enough power to run lights for 4 hours, depending on how much energy the lights use. So that's one of the things we definitely want to promote in this club, that when we go in service learning trips, like we're going to Israel and the Palestinian territories this January, and when we go to Brazil in the spring break, and when we go to Guatemala potentially next summer, there's going to be families that we can bring this stuff to and go, hey, now you can read, now you can cook, now you can get electricity. All right, thank you for that.